Sometimes you come across places which are beyond your imagination. You just need to walk deep into the nature and you will always get more than what you are seeking for. Magnificence of the mountain gives you power to move. Green shades of grass leaves you mesmerized. This time I took an uncharted trails leading to the untouched landscapes of hidden Manali. Together, we went on a week-long trip to the trails of Mount Dev Tibba organized by Hippians. We had a crazy time exploring this place.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf.